Good evening, sir.
Very
Uh,
good evening.
yeah, as I said, even I had posted this message in the group. See, I diagnosed with diabetic on 16th of May, and
Hmm.
immediately I joined the program on 20th of May. The batch which started on 21st, I just joined the program. So it is being almost 3 weeks. Like today is the 18th or 19th day,
Okay.
and I'm religiously following this morning fitness practice, and I'm drinking this detox tea. So even I had informed, my weight was reduced from 78, 79 to 72.
Okay.
So just I was feeling that kind of weakness also. But after following that stringent food things and all, morning I mean full homely food I'm taking. I'm not taking any outside foods, and I'm following religiously. I'm following this all these
Very nice.
whether it is fitness practice or like. And surprisingly, I do not know my on 16th when I just went for test. My fasting blood sugar level was around 230, and PP it was 450. No one can even imagine even. So now it has reduced to 70, 72. Okay, in
My
two, three
God.
weeks. 17 fasting and 72, I mean, PP. So I do
Congratulations.
not know. Yeah, I do not know whether it is practically possible, or since, as I said, I diagnosed in just 2, 3 weeks back only. I diagnosed with diabetic.